Today I have one more AI tool and it works incredibly well. So, the name of this AI tool is Luma AI, and it is the most realistic and best AI video generator. So I'm going to show you how you can use this tool. But first of all, let's look at some of the example videos. So this is the first example where they used a dinosaur image as the first rim, and the cock as a second image, and it created that really good. And this is the second example. The animation is smooth. This looks so real that nobody can tell that this is AI generated, right? And here's one more example. Okay, now let's see how to use this tool. To get started, head over to the Luma AI website. So this is the URL lumalabs.ai. You will get the link in the description. So you need to sign up with your Gmail and click on Continue. You will see this interface. Below here, you can see we have 30 generations left. In the free plan, you can generate 30 videos for a month. Now to use this feature, you have to click on this image, and now this will ask you for the initial image. So I have created this image inside of the mid-journey. Then you can see we have a new option for the ending frame. So we're going to use the ending frame of this witch. In the prompt section, I am going to type, "beautiful girl turning into a witch," and hit generate. Well, it may take some time because of the high traffic, and they have already mentioned on their website that due to the high demand, we are temporarily limiting free tiers to the 5 generations a day. Paid tiers have the priority in queue and no daily limits. So if you don't want to wait for a long time, you can purchase their premium plan. Okay? So here is the output video. Well, the output video is not the one I wanted. It just created 2 different scenes. But still, we can achieve the desired results by drawing different variations. But right now, we are only limited to the 5 generations a day, as I'm using the free plan. Now here is a cool trick to play around with your own image. Let's say I'm going to use this image of a man taking a selfie, and I just want to turn this into a ghost. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the lens, go AI. I have shared this tool a couple of times in my videos because it works well. So I'm going to upload the image of man, which I downloaded from Pexels, and I want to convert this into a ghost. So you can use any other thing that you want to apply to your image. Let's say ghost taking a selfie and hit generate. Okay? So it came up with these 2 images. If you're not satisfied with the results, you can also try different variations. You can try by changing the prompt and recreating your images. But I'm happy with this one. Simply download your image and now get back to the Luma AI. Just upload your first image. So this is my first image. And now in the second frame, I'm going to upload this ghost image. I will copy this prompt from their official example video, because I think this is a tried and tested prompt, and this will work better on our videos. I will just make some changes to it, like a figure with the glasses slowly turning into a ghost, and hit generate. Let's see what it comes up. So here's the final video. Well, there are some issues with the hand, but how this man turns into a ghost, it looks like a very smooth transition. I think this is a really fun feature to play around, especially with your own images. You can turn yourself into anything, and you can also get the idea from Twitter and the other social media platforms. So that's it from today's video. I hope you learned something new, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next one.